I'm going to show you how to post a vendor down payment with a Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. My dear audience, I would like to make you a request to help us to reach the first 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we have more than 10,000 views. We are very close to the 11,000 views and less than 300 subscribers. Could you please help us to balance the scale by subscribing to this channel? Here in this channel, we deliver very high quality of content. I use my free time to make SAP videos, to share SAP knowledge for free. I think it's fair enough to ask you to do exactly the same thing. How can you do that? Very simple. You just need to subscribe to this channel and share it within your network. Let's reach to the 1,000 subscribers. In the previous video, we have validated the configuration for the alternative reconciliation account for vendors down payments. In this video, we are going to do the posting itself of a vendor down payment. If you have not watched the previous video, you can find the link in the description of this video. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP GUI menu. For the ones that have the version S/4HANA on-premise, you have this. For the ones that are using the public cloud, you need to wait for the second part of this video. But you can watch this one. So now how we can do the magic to happen. So we go for the accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, down payment, and then we have something called down payment, which is F-48 transaction code. We are clicking here and we are in the screen to make our down payment. So now I've opened here Fiori just to see the manage supply line items, just to see what vendor I would be using. We have this one. I'm going to use this vendor for doing our down payment. Now that we are here, I'm going to put these dates that are already predefined to be quicker. I keep the document type SKZ with the posting period, currency. So this is my vendor, and then I'm going to use the down payment, the special JL indicator, down payment done. That we are going to do bank accounts, and then amounts, this one, and then from here I need to use the tax reporting is mandatory for this company code. In your case, if it's not mandatory, you don't need to put it, so probably you are not seeing it in your screen. And here, I'm not going to add any more information. Going for the next, here we are going to put the amount. I'm going to put stars, so the system will copy the one. I'll put what I've prepared. I'm going to press enter again, and then we can simulate saying that is a message saying that in the past. I'm going to save. Simple as this. Now I want to give a brief explanation. We're going for the display the documents. This is my vendor. I'm going to double click. So that's my guy. I'm going to double click and we are going to see the account information. And then this is opening the transaction code BP. So here we can see this is the reconciliation account. When we go to the configuration, just to confirm, we have this is my reconciliation account, and then the system has posted into that account. So if we go back, so if you see, this is a different account. that is coming from the configuration that we have done in the previous video. Now let's move for the Fiori app. Now we are in the Fiori Launchpad. If you don't know yet how to navigate in the Fiori Launchpad, you can find the link in this video to know how to do it. If you struggle how to find Fiori app in the SAP Fiori library, you can also find the link in this video to know how to find your Fiori apps. In today's, we are going to use this style, post supplier down payment. If you see here, I have F-48. This means this is not a new technology of Fiori, this is not a new Fiori, it's just an emulation of the transaction codes that we have in SAP GUI. So I'm going to click. As you can see, the screen is the same thing, just has a different color because it's running on the web. Let's do this quickly. I'm going to choose this date, 24, year 24, document type KZ. We need to change our company codes. And then I'm going to put the BRL, the currency of Brazil. So here I need to put the tax reporting as I explained in this video. I'm not going to repeat myself. So now I'm going to introduce the vendor account. We are using the same. Here in this special indicator, we are going to choose A for down payment, and then the GL account is this one, and then the amount I'm going to find 8,000. The date we will put value date, exactly the same date as we are doing. So 24. Okay, so far so good. We are going to press enter, and then we do exactly the same thing. I'm going to put a star, G1. We're going to say that is on the 26th. Press enter, enter. And then from here, I can display the document itself, how it's going to be, and then I can do click and posts. So as the same thing, I'm going here to more, document, and then display. So I'm bringing to the screen the document itself, and then we have our vendor here. I'm going to double click, and I see that the GL account that is posted is not the reconciliation of accounts of my vendor, but the alternative account of this special ledger indicator, which is number 8. If you are enjoying this video as me doing for you, please make a like to us. Don't get away. Don't get away. We have something else to show you. So now here we are going to do some magic. So this is the Fiori app manage supply line item. We are going to add special ledger transactions. So I'm going to click here and then go, and then we are going to see all documents, which we know that it is the A special ledger transactions that we created for this event. I'm not going to explain how this Fiori app works because there is already a video in this channel explaining you A to Z how to work with this Fiori app. If you think this video was useful for you, please leave some comments. Now you know how to post a vendor down payment with the Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.